GM
So
Q, Emperor Q, GM, what's up? How you
Emperor
doing?
Q, my mentor, I greet you. You know they like to show your
My
face
boss,
now.
my boss is GM.
GM, how
GM,
you doing
GM.
now?
You know they want to show your
Really,
face. Show your face. Show your face.
I go show my face tomorrow.
Are you not doxed?
I'm shy.
Ah, no off. No be like that one still there. That one still there. Carry now, have family now.
I do all right. You do all right. What about your own?
Fine, active, 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 active. So DeFi law then,
How you doing?
you see that thing we are talking about USDT.D that day. You see what USDT.D have done.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
it was on your live show that I dropped that USDT.D analysis.
yes.
And I would like us to like review it before we keep moving.
Okay, okay, you can share your screen.
Yes, so that people will be those people that are always, always coming to this live stream, they can be seeing what we are doing. You know, so some people believe say
But I
we
think but I think USDT.D is going to dump. BTC is going to rally. From what I'm seeing here on this chart.
yeah, check out, you can put up this stuff up. Let me tell my fans that I
Because
am live now.
it's currently at a resistance point.
Yes, that resistance it will drop a little bit before it starts pumping up.
So that means BTC is supposed to break.
BTC is going to go up a little bit before it starts dumping.
Yeah, okay.
But we'll have a
This,
massive crash coming in.
well, nothing concerns us. We now want to do the trade small as we see. Let's go, let's go. Run us up and Green Chaser. What do you have?
Yeah. So for those people just joining, um the last week we had the same show with my brothers Emperor Q and Crypto DeFi Lord. DeFi Lord, every time I always like saying shout out to you. Shout out to you one more time for always. Yes, so it's good to always give honor to whom honor is due. So shout out to you for always hosting these events and bringing in top analysts. These guys you see here, Emperor Q is a very good analyst. You know, it's not easy to bring in one of the best brains in this space, and they are giving out information for free. If not be because of you as our OG, we're not going to do them for here now. We will not do it now. That's true now.
Yes.
So shout out to you, shout out to you, yeah. And thank you for always supporting everybody. Yeah. So down to um down to what we have here today. You can see the USDT.D analysis. Let me remove this. I want to put
Yeah,
it like this so that
he played that. He played that according to what you actually said.
yes. So you can see it. You see it came into our buy zone, and when it picked up our buy zone, it started going up, and you can see the market has started reacting already. Okay, the market has started reacting. You can obviously see that the market is going down right now. Remember, for this short term, the target here short term is basically we are going to 5.67. Okay, so short term we are going to 5.67 percentage on
For
USDT.D.
USDT, okay.
Yes, short term 5.687, and you can see that, or rather 5.67. And right now you can see that an uptrend is just about to start, right? An uptrend on USDT.D is just about to start, right?
But
From this,
are you looking, what time frame are you looking at?
that's a daily time frame. Daily time frame. One thing about bigger
Okay,
time
yeah.
frames is that they help you to filter the noise. You understand what I'm saying?
This was
Bigger
massive.
time frame.
I remember drawing these trend line charts, man.
Yeah,
And it came,
yeah.
it tested, and they move up. Wow.
Yeah. You see, you can see it, right? So it just played out
Yeah.
exactly the way we predicted it. You understand? So
At
it
this
has tapped
resistance
in.
point, do you think you can beat this resistance?
No, it's going to break that resistance. It's going to break it. So it has tested that resistance 3 times. It is the fourth time
Yes.
that is coming up. This fourth one is going to break it.
So it has shown weak. That is, but I know that there is a law that says that multiple testing of the resistance makes it weaker.
Yes, of course, it's going to break it. It's going to break it. So, and once it breaks it, now everybody will be asking, where are we headed to? That should be the next question. Where are we headed to? And you know
Where are
that
we
day,
headed to?
I yes, I so BTC is going to dump. That day I said, okay, there's a possibility on a weekly time frame that we're going to go to 123 thereabout before it starts dumping. Though I told people to start taking profit from 116, if you remember,
Yeah, I
right?
remember very
Yes,
good.
yes, 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 yes. So right now, obviously, 116 played out. We did not even go to 23. And do you know my thought that day was that this dump, like this little correction we're waiting for from USDT.D to peak before it starts going up. My thought was that Bitcoin will use that strength to go to 123. So that was why I said, okay, there's a possibility. But guess what? It did not happen. And as it didn't happen, right? Now, what is the next thing that is going to happen? Is that the USDT.D on a daily time frame starts continues its uptrend. And once it continues its uptrend, your favorite crypto, especially altcoins, are going to zero. Okay, they are going to crash heavily. They are going to dump heavily. If USDT.D gets to 5.67, imagine what will happen in the market. Currently, we can see that USDT.D is just about to start moving. And what is happening? The market is already bleeding. 403 million 403 million USDT 403 million USDT longs was liquidated just last night because of this dump. 403 million, almost half a billion. So it's about to get extremely crazy right now. And the funny thing is that a lot of people are having the hope that there's going to be a recovery. That time that USD BTC was pumping to 116, I kept telling people, we've been telling people that USDT is going to go to 116, and when it comes to 116, exchanges will be sending you messages. BTC just hit 116. BTC influencers will be posting Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon. And you know what? At the end of the day, this is going to be a massive trap. In fact, I thought that they were going to even do the trap to be more crazier by allowing Bitcoin to go to 123,000 first. And I'm so grateful that I kept telling people that day. I told them, please, guys, make sure you take your profit. Please make sure you take your profit at 116. Thank God they took their profit at 116. And look at where we are right now. We are at 107,000. So let us check what BTC is about to do. And in this chart, I'm also gonna be I think we were using bluffing chart that day, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah. Is this another analysis I did for my community guys, and this particular trade did not peak. I think we're using bluffing BTC dot P on bluffing chart. Let me be sure. Bluffing or Bitumix either. Okay, yeah. So this was the one I did for bluffing on that day, DeFi Lord. So that day on our live show was like, okay, guys, you can start taking profit here, but we should be expecting that BTC might get to this place, right? But then BTC didn't get there. And the funny thing, see where this thing is crazy, right? DeFi Lord, let me show you. So you see trading can be tricky. You and I can agree. Trading is crazy. So that is why you have to always be observant of the patterns and things that play out. So Emperor Q and DeFi Lord, you can agree that here that I'm marking out right now, we had a complete, let me mark it out. This place we had a double bottom pattern, and the double bottom pattern signifies buys. Is that not true?
Yes, yes.
And people here will be, see where people go and get enter buys. The people that are waiting for breakout and retest will enter here. But what happened here? They want to enter inside this rectangular support, right? That is marked out. But what happened? It broke below it. Immediately it broke below it. I knew there was problem. Last night I was so tired to drop signals for my people. If not, we could have taken this sell from here. But I was so tired. But when it was broken, what happened now? All here is a POI. This is a support. This is a resistance that was broken. Support has
For a
met
short.
resistance. Yes, a wonderful POI now for a sell, But last night I was so tired. I went out last night. I was so tired. So now a downtrend, my dear brothers and sisters, a downtrend has officially begun on a daily time frame. What am I waiting for? I was about to put out a signal before you then told me that you sent me the link to this live stream. Right now, the signal I wanted to put out to my people is this: if let's say Bitcoin closes like this today, see what I'm expecting. So let's say I put in my Fibonacci on this is now on a daily time frame, strictly on a daily time frame analysis. Now see what I'm expecting from BTC. If you check on a smaller time frame, it's now looking like Bitcoin is going to buy, okay? Because it has a support on a smaller time frame. Now I'm expecting this support to push BTC to this place. Now when it pushes BTC to that my 61, my golden zone, it pushes it to here. Right.
What price? What price is that?
That price is at about $109,000.
Yeah.
Right. It's at about $109,000. So we'll have this. This is just a setup on a. This is just a setup on a daily time frame. So we should be expecting this to play out anytime soon. So let's say we'll have that buys. When that buy starts going up, obviously a lot of people will be excited. Bullish. We are going to 116 now. We are going to 120. And on a smaller time frame, this is what I have on a smaller time frame. So this particular trade, let me bring this down here a bit. Yeah, okay. This particular trade.
I can see your screen for a smaller time frame.
What? Can't you see my screen now?
You said for a smaller time frame, but you are still on daily time frame.
Okay. No. I was trying to share the signal, say what I'm coming. I'm going to go to a smaller time frame now. So for this now, I am expecting BTC to have a retracement to 109,246. So when we get to 109,246, I not a financial advice, but I think you should open a short with a 15x leverage, and your stop loss should be about 111,454, and then your take profit should be about 104,328. So this is a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, right? So if you lose, you are going to be losing 30% of your margin. If you win, you're going to be winning over 60% of your margin on this particular trade. So don't risk more than you can lose on that 30% stop loss. Okay, so more than what you can afford to lose on the 30% stop loss. So if you know you're willing to lose only $30 in case of this trade goes south, you have no business taking this trade with more than $100. So if you take this trade with $100, if it hits stop loss, you are losing $30. If it hits take profit, you are winning over $60. So that's my thought on BTC. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you for your top-down analysis, like always.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Yo, what do you have for
us? It's just almost the same view with DC. We are team 0.
Yeah, so to 0.
So maybe we can do.
Yeah, let me show my own chart.
Share your screen so that I can bring it up.
Are you seeing my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just like DC was saying, this is my daily time frame, and you know that I trade liquidity. Liquidity, which is a sweep of liquidity and break of structure. I did a live session yesterday, and I explained this thing that he talked about, double bottom. Let me get my part 2. So this double bottom now, double bottom is a bullish chart pattern. So had it been that Bitcoin was able to break above 116 and get to, let's say, 118 like this particular place will be strong enough to command another buy to 125 to 126. But since Bitcoin failed to break above this place validly. As you can see,
Mm.
it got to 116 with just the width, which is not
Yes.
strong. now, now we can no longer trust this as a stronger buying POI. So people that were buying from here, some people will set their orders here. Now,
Yes.
this market is coming down. And look at two things that I'm expecting, because since it's not clear, one thing that we should do is to enter or trade here with confirmation. I mark this place and I also mark this place. The reason why I mark both of them is that if the market should start pumping from here, part two, I'm expecting the market as it is now to break like this, then we'll
To
start selling
zero.
from here. But if
Sure,
it
sure.
fails to do so, and from here, if it starts to be pumping from here, induce this place, that means that this one is going to hold. But originally, this is not strong. This particular POI now is not strong because it did not also break to the downside, like from here to here validly. It stopped around here, the second bottom, and did not break below. So that makes this one not a high probability POI to be selling from, but it will be used if this one also fail to break below, meaning that if the market induce this one, it will rest on here, it will rest at this place and then dump to the downside. So from this daily time frame, even in the lower time frame, it has not also broken. We just have to look at this particular candle. When this candle closes, it will give us a clearer direction. If it breaks below, we'll be selling BTC from 110, 600 something. But if it fails to break below, that means that this particular place will be used as what? Inducement. Most of the times I don't really use the USDT.D. Look at it in 4 hours time frame. It's the same thing here. The market needs to break here, break below. If it breaks below, that means that this place, excuse me, will be strong enough. And just like DC also explained, there is this idea again from the daily time frame. Since this double bottom failed, the market retested this neckline. This was a failed POI. Since it
Yeah.
failed to break, the market retested the neckline. So this neckline now becomes a selling POI. And not only the neckline, you can that we are trading based on what has happened in the past. This particular POI, this place now failed as well. So they are all the same. This is a very strong like resistance. If this market just breaks below, this place is a strong resistance to sell from. That is a 110 600. So I'm just waiting for this particular candle to give us a clearer direction. Once the candle closes, I will decide if this place is going to be my selling POI or I will take the place above. But one thing about trading is that it's just a game that you have to play with patience. If you jump into the market as it is now, you've not gotten the confirmation. You just jump in to believe that this one is going to hold. Then the market fails to break here, you will be placing or you'll be buying selling from what inducement zone. You will be induced and the market will go to the upside. So it's something that you just have to do what wait for confirmation. Make sure that this POI meets your criteria before you place a buy or a sell. So overall, I'm expecting a crash. There might be magic. Probably Donald Trump is going to say one thing or the other. Then market will pump to 125. But at the moment, it's not looking good for buyers. It's not looking good at all. I'm expecting this to break down, retest this place, and then we dump lower. So that's just my view on BTC for now.
DeFi Lord, eh? This where is DeFi Lord? This life done the day boring. I remember when DeFi Lord made agree. I need those days to come back. DeFi Lord don't begin agree. I like when
Very
DeFi will go
No,
there.
but now, you know, say, I don't dey understand. I don't dey see wetin I don't dey see now. I'm no longer speaking from a crypto KOL perspective. Now, I'm speaking from
Yeah.
a trader perspective. And all you
Yeah.
guys have said is actually valid. It's actually very, very valid. On the one time frame, if BTC breaks below that zone, if BTC breaks below this 107,094,
To
then
zero.
it shows that since it fails to break the upper one, it's going to go lower. Probably it's going
It's
to
just
come
going to
around.
retest and go lower.
Yeah, probably going to retest and go lower. So that
Yes,
is just
a retest. From the retest, we enter with short to
Yeah.
zero.
yeah. You sure, massive?
DeFi
Yeah,
Lord,
even
this DeFi Lord, this one is a special request from me to you. Please, they be bringing bullish guys here. We need bullish guys so that we can be having different. All of us just agree now. It just do it somehow. We need people that will be coming with different perspective.
No bullish person again. All bullish.
nobody. I said, there's this guy. The guy who bought token with $20,000. He's crying today that the money is below $3,000.
Yes, now you they play.
People are dead, bro.
You hardly see someone that is still very much bullish. You know, all these influencers, they'll just be posting. Like, I'll just look at all these, I'll be like, well, this person is just trying to get engagement.
Allah,
Bull
Not
is
that
people
dead.
don't see shit.
Bull is dead. Nothing in Bull again.
So I just made an analysis today. So I think that Bitcoin is going to get to $49,000 this bear market. You know.
that one day.
Yes, and
But we don't even think about the situation if these guys start to sell.
who start to
Which
sell?
guy?
Michael Taylor.
Sell.
If Michael Taylor sell like this, we are not go village.
Now zero now.
We are going to village.
One of my analysis this morning is Ethereum to 1,004. As like zero.
But Ethereum is a bullshit. It's a bullshit coin.
Okay, see him now. This guy now, Kryptonian from Twitter. The guy don't say 49K. That's the good thing. People no go ever believe. Say it is possible. But you know one thing about crypto will make you believe in the impossible. If you don't believe it now before you see it, you go believe it when you experience it. You know when Luna crash, nobody believes a stablecoin fee goes zero. Yeah. But
I swear. Now when it happens to you,
but nobody believes a stablecoin fee goes zero. But it was USD. Waiting be that Luna stablecoin. USTC. USDT went to USD went to minus 0.00. Like, and you know that time. Do you know why it was so bad? UST was offering the highest return ROI 20% per annum.
19%. They were offering 19%.
Yes, for staking. People were staking. The thing went to zero. It is unbelievable for you to lose money in stablecoin, but it has happened. So when people say it is not possible, I just laugh because crypto will make your mind will shake. Do you know one of my crypto developer? Let me ask something. When Bitcoin touched $15,000 during the last bear market, did you buy?
No, I didn't buy it. I went to be buying altcoin. I was buying altcoin thinking that Bitcoin is will perform more than this, but it was shit.
Emperor Q, how far did you buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin will touch 15,000?
When Bitcoin touched what?
15,000.
No, I did not buy.
Thank you very much. Me, I consider myself one of the most foolish persons for not buying. Do you know what I keep asking myself to today? What price was I expecting Bitcoin to touch before I start buying?
Now, Kene was calling for 5,000 now. Kene was calling.
Yes, I swear. Kene actually they see the lot of us. No.
I did not even know that Kenneth that time, self, man. I was just asking myself, say,
And then they
wetin
see
make
a
me?
lot of us. You Kenneth should be arrested. I swear. You see, the mistake we all made was when Bitcoin was that low. Imagine if we bought TRB at $9 then. TRB. Then Solana around $6 or thereabouts. The people that I said in a space, there was this guy that was hosting space. The guy was bullish. So I came to the X space and I was talking about the investments that people made in 2025. They are wrong investments. They did not do it on time. The guy removed me and said that it was my network. I did not even react. He wants people to buy a particular token. If you get,
Yeah,
he
yes,
was
yes.
talking about bull season, out season going to still happen. So he was just talking about bull in the space. I just came and said, everybody that is making investment in 2025, if you are not connected to buy like some coins that will still be doing magic, you are doing the wrong investment. Check if you bought
Yes.
when Bitcoin was at that 15K. Everything then.
And Bitcoin has pumped to this level, and
How far are
that
you
coin you're
expecting it to
holding has not
pump
pumped to pump again
again?
to $1
How
million.
far are you expecting? That is, Bitcoin is going to finish the whole pumping this bull in this bull season. It's going to finish the whole pumping now. So next bull run, we don't have anywhere to go again.
Allah,
So
it's crazy. It's
definitely
crazy.
it's going to go down.
I don't know
Small
what
money
happened
where
today. Did you people notice
I
it?
carry small money
X
go
and
good for ENA.
You carry money go put for where?
yeah.
ENA now, ENA, ENA. The thing, as
Okay,
Bitcoin they dump,
Enna.
as
That's if you
Bitcoin
get a
they
good
dump.
prospect too.
Nah, I believed in it. I was like, Bitcoin should just touch something like 150 then, so that I'll take profits. I was seeing good profit though. I was seeing good profits. I was just waiting for Bitcoin to touch 150. All of a sudden, I just went to higher time frame. I was seeing what Bitcoin was. I was like, oh my god, I don't fuck up. As it is, I'm praying for Bitcoin to come back to 125, please. God, I'll take profit, I promise.
But do you know the funny thing? Do you know the funny thing? Now, Bitcoin dominance is going to be increasing. As Bitcoin dominance is increasing, even if Bitcoin comes to 100 and goes to 120, the possibility of your altcoin to pump is not even there because Bitcoin dominance is increasing every day.
Let's just be praying for one magic like that.
No magic. I don't do prayers again for crypto. My bro, anything which chat, no, they show you, they show you. Yes,
Prayer
sir.
and motivation doesn't make profits.
At all, Sam. At all. So that's it. DeFi Lord. No, I'm like I was thinking that since we have discussed this thing, should we drop signals for people here?
Yeah,
Then
I
you be
can
our
drop
host now.
signal. Yeah.
Emperor
Yeah,
Q,
you
now
can
drop
drop
signals
signal
for
now.
us.
Yeah, it's just
So I'm actually looking at
but me mostly, I don't know, but you people don't trade. But me, I do trade forex these days. So we can actually talk
DeFi
about
Lord.
forex.
DeFi Lord. I just remember something that is very important and very fundamental to us. What is going to be the impact of what Donald Trump and Tinubu are doing on our Naira? Are we to start buying USDT or to start holding Naira? Please, this is very fundamental.
I think it's not going to have any effect in the sense that they are both going to push for diplomacy. I don't see how Nigeria will go and be challenging or do anything to draw US power to Nigeria. I think Nigeria is going to send some envoy to US.
Of course. Now, but the impacts now, because you know what I'm asking. So see what happened to me sometime when Luna was crashing. I was the most intelligent mumu in the space. Now, see what happened. Luna was crashing. I was busy tweeting about the fundamentals, tweeting about this is why it's happening. Talking about the Duquan will not send my papa. And guess what? My followers were sending me 12,000% PNL, 15,000% PNL.
They were short,
they were short in making money. I did not take action. I was just tweeting and talking. Ever since that time, anything that's happening in the world, I must take action on it. So now I'm thinking this particular matter is going to be a long matter. Are there Nigerian stocks is going to affect? Are we going to go and buy or sell these Nigerian stocks? Are we is it going to affect the USDT dollar? The USDT to Naira?
Currently, they are not doing about inflation. They said if this administration don't do anything concerning the killing, that they might have to enter and get those terrorists. But the truth is, if we are actually going to discuss what is actually happening in Nigeria, like I don't see the reason why people are actually trying to suppress the fact that there is no insecurity in Nigeria. Me and you know that there is huge insecurity in Nigeria, and me and you know that a lot of Christians are being killed. Like you can't even like going to Anambra ask you, I have to take military escort to Okao. Just to
Yes,
go
me
to
too. I use
Anambra.
anytime I go to Anambra, I take escorts. I use escorts.
You have to take escorts. You can't even go to the north. You can't even drive. You can't even drive. You can't even drive to the north or anywhere without actually having the mindset that you're going to get kidnapped. Like I went to play golf yesterday, and one of my chairman was telling me, that they kidnapped somebody he know, the PA of somebody he know, that they have to pay 300K to bail him here in Lagos.
Yes, now one of my followers texted me. They kidnapped his brother in one chance in Lagos last week.
Wow.
Yes, now
most of these things they suppress it. It's crazy. Anybody that says that there is no insecurity in Nigeria is talking shit. He doesn't know what he's saying. Because everybody knows that there is insecurity in this country, huge insecurity. That is affecting both Christians and
my
Muslims.
own is how are we going to make money off the news? You understand? Because this news will have impact.
Now, Tinubu has bring in new set of chiefs. I believe new set of chiefs, they are going to do some work. Probably find a way to go deeper with now international eyes on Nigeria. I think they are going to do a lot of work, but I don't see US actually invading Nigeria. I think it's just a form of a wake-up call. It's just a form of a wake-up call that these guys, they should do something, that people are dying unnecessarily. And with the fact of all these things that is actually going on, killing people based on blasphemy, all this nonsense that is actually happening, it doesn't make any sense. You understand? I think there is not going to be any invasion per se, but it's going to be like a wake-up call.
It's okay.
That is just what I feel like. That is just what I think.
Nigeria is a criminally minded people. It's a criminally minded country. So all these things that all these things that they're doing, like everybody in Nigeria knows definitely that the security is very poor. So they are not even with this US intervention or wake up call. Nigeria will not, like, the security will not improve. Rather, they will make it improve in the media. They will make it improve in the media, but in real life, insecurity is still high in Nigeria. Nigeria will not do it. Like, they are benefiting from it. They are benefiting from it.
Like, there is no president that wants insecurity to continue. Like, there is no president that wants insecurity to continue. The truth is, if you are in a position, you want peace. Peace is where you can enjoy your money. Peace is where you can enjoy life. You understand? Peace is where you can enjoy life.
The president is not the president is not the only one overseeing everything that's happening in Nigeria. So he has aides, and inside that aid, there are people that doesn't even want him to perform well. You get? So all this kidnapping of a thing, all these premium people, they still have a hand in those kidnapping that's happening.
Which premium people?
Anambra here.
Yeah, it's
very
crazy. It's crazy. You can't go anywhere without security. You can't go anywhere without security. It's
if
crazy. Even Abuja self, the same thing. Everywhere is the same. Like then they have to fix this insecurity problem because if there's insecurity, businesses can't move forward. There's no business that can do well with insecurity.
they will just be stealing up and down, kidnapping people. Very early in the morning, about okay, that was last month, in this Anambra Oka, early in the morning. They still have this Agune Chamber security, Soludo security. They were still
Yeah.
there when kidnappers came to kidnap, like they dropped someone and kidnap another person. That was
Wetin be
crazy.
this abeg? Which kind talk be this
That
one?
Yeah, that was crazy. 7 a.m. in the morning, they dropped someone that they kidnapped and kidnapped someone else. Imagine that was-
I know us.
we're like, this
But
security, what are you
how
guys
come
doing?
Anambra is that worse?
Hmm. Omo,
Like
Anambra,
like last 2 years, they actually kidnapped one of my tenants. He went to bury his mother-in-law in Anambra State. They kidnapped him and moved him to Imo. He had to pay over 10 million. Friends and relations have to contribute money for them to release him. It's crazy
there is
Like
how
noise
hunger
not
in the
reduce.
country.
Guys,
There is hunger.
Differ Lord, please, Differ Lord, Emperor Q, please, I have to leave now. I need to do some stuff now. Okay.
okay, no problem. We are here.
Yeah. Thank you
So
so much,
you
guys.
please
Thank you.
run us up and do forest. Run us up on some of your what you have
Eh?
for forest. I know you do
Correct.
forest. Which
Okay.
which pair do you trade?
I don't have a particular pair, but I trade mostly GBP.
Okay, now let's run
GB.
up. Let's run something up on GBP.
All right, let's check GBP card. I think that's what I'm looking at right now. GBP card.
GBP card. Okay. What happened?
Yeah.
I can't see your screen. I can't see your screen here.
Let me show GBP card. I'm coming.
Share it.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes.
All right. This is what
Oh, nice.
I'm actually trying to. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. I'm just trying to sell from here, and my reason for trying to sell from here is let me go to first of all daily time frame. I majorly make use of these two. This thing
But this
now,
is but this
um,
thing seems like something's going to buy.
this GBP card,
Mm.
eh?
Like it seems like it's going to buy up themselves.
No, it's not going to do that easily. The reason why, okay, I don't used to kind of follow the trend like this. As it's trying to come to the upside, I'll follow it and buy immediately. If I'm going to do that, I always wait for a breakout from here. As it is now, it's still too early for me to enter the buy. So I'm patiently waiting for it here. And the reason why I'm waiting for it here is that this one now did not break out very well. So this one swapped liquidity and pushed here. If the market comes up to here, maybe it's not going to dump that low to this level. Maybe it's not going to dump that low to this level. At least it will get to here when selling again. So this is 1 day time frame. Let me drop down to 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame, you can see that here now the move to this place did not break this one, did not break this low. And that is what made, I'm talking about here, and that is what made it not strong. So the one that broke to the downside was actually here. It swept liquidity a little bit and broke to the downside. So I'm expecting this market now to rise to this level, then sell again. But if you want us to hunt a buy, like from here, I can still do something and look for an entry here. We can still try to buy from here. Let me see what 1 hour is showing. Can still trade on confirmation, just that these all these POI, they are always trickish because let me get this too. It's just bunch of liquidities falling for the trap of all these places, they are liquidities. So you don't know where the market is actually going to rest on before pumping to that selling POI. The market might actually decide to come here and push up, or
Yeah.
clear the whole liquidities here and push up. You get, so we have to wait. If this market comes down on the next leg up, then we'll buy. I'm just waiting for um only this one for now. Good, I'm waiting for it to sell as well, but I don't know what is wrong with it. It's a matter of time though. So this is what I'm expecting. My main or stronger POI with higher probability on this GBP card is a sell, selling from this zone 1.86867. That's my main POI for selling. I'll be keeping my stop loss around here. But one thing that keeps people um makes people to be suffering much in this trading, just something that I just realized, that we should be consistent in our risk management.
Mm.
Should be consistent, like here now. No matter how much you
Right.
are trading with. Can, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. So you are mostly looking at the sell.
Yes, my main POI is the sell. So the buy, if we are going to take buy now, I'll just reduce my risk. You get, I'll just reduce my risk and buy. But I definitely know that it's coming up to that selling POI. You have the chart. Do you have the? Are you watching the chart now?
Yeah.
So let's just let's just, if I'm to kind of enter aggressively, if I'm to enter aggressively, I'll be picking here. I'll be picking here. Then my stop loss will definitely go lower. Your stop loss has to be big. Oh. It's when you go to your account that you will reduce your lot size. This is giving 3RR. Aggressive entry is giving 3RR. So someone can risk this and buy, but it's more like being impatient, which I don't even want to do again in my trading. Just want to relax, wait for it to come to my POI. I'll play it, even if in a week. If I'm able to take only 2 or 3 trades, I'm fine with that.
Oh, nice analysis, though. Okay, this is the only one you have.
Yeah, next thing is just gold and silver, but okay, let me show you my what I'm expecting from gold. Mm,
Gold, 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 gold.
Are you seeing the chart now?
Yeah.
This is 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 4 hours.
Is
And
gold buying or
1 minute.
selling?
And it's going to do both of them.
It's going to
From
buy
my
first,
own
then sell.
view, yeah, because this is a 1 day time frame, and you see this
Mm.
push. First of all, this place now, this place now, this POI now broke
There's a
validly
liquidity there.
here. It broke validly here. So
Yeah.
I'm expecting it to gold. Gold is going to revisit this particular, that is 4,000. Let's say
4,030 or
4,140. Let's say
140.
4,140. Yeah. Now, and you can see from daily time frame, this week now, we have this inverted hammer and
Yeah.
um
A bullish.
a bullish engulf. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I'm expecting gold to retest to that candle to 3,000, around this zone 3,934, and or probably sweep the liquidity. But I'm not expecting gold to go below 3,880 before moving to 4,146. So this is the expectation. Let me use my part 2. I'm expecting it to drop to here, then push up to 4,000. Let me kind of clear the liquidity. 4,158. Then we'll get another drop, like massive dump to 3,640. So this is from daily time frame. Let me see how it looks in 4 hours um, time frame. Is the same thing too.
But
Is the
gold is
same
at
thing.
a very poor resistance. What if it breaks that resistance? It can push up first
You
before
mean
coming
this
down.
resistance? You
No,
mean
the
this
resistance
place?
is currently at now. No, that place is trying to struggle at
Okay.
currently.
Okay. You mean
Yeah.
breaking here?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. It's very much possible. That's why risk management is important. But look at it now. Just look at the chart. I am seeing a double top, even though it's
Yeah.
not that visible. But I'm this place now. I'm seeing a double top. Let me mark it out.
Yes. Market
I'll
us.
mark it out. Hold on. You know that it must not always be as beautiful as it's always as it
Yeah.
is always in this thing. So now look at the double top that I'm seeing here. Here now, this is the first top.
Mm-hmm.
This is the neckline, and the second top probably is going to stop here. If it stops here, then gold retests here. Next dump will come to here. So this
So
is
you
the
think
double
that gold
top
can get
that I'm
to that 4,030 again before it dumps?
before it dumps.
Uh,
4,030. Let
uh,
me check. Yeah, it's very much possible. Very, very much. Look at it now. I mean, based on my own way of trading, these 4 hours now, this candle now swaps liquidity, this particular
mm,
one, this particular red one.
yeah.
But you can see that the way it swept liquidities, there are still liquidities up here. If you trade trend line liquidities, if you trade, you see that for this is the strongest now, the highest week. This one now, this particular
Yeah.
week now is the strongest one.
Yes.
Unless the market breaks above it,
Breaks
so
that place.
still have the chance to go down. So this one now that swept liquidity, this particular side now are still liquidities. So I'm expecting gold to, as it's trying to retest now, come up again. I'm expecting it now come to here, either stop around here. That is a
Or breakout.
4,025
Or
and dump,
breakout.
or reach. Yeah, you know that pushing to this side is just to hit people's stop loss
Or plus. Yeah.
to gather liquidity from here. I'll just make sure that my stop loss is above 4,000, is at 4,048 or 4,050. If it hits my stop loss, then I know that I've lost the trade. So let me check 1 hour time frame and see if it's that clear right there. It's almost the same thing. It's almost the same thing. They can retest. Can simply retest to here and go down. Retest there. So I can set my short position. Do we really have people watching this?
Yes, sir. Can't you see the number up there? We have 987 people watching.
Oh, I did not even see them. I just
Yeah,
saw
now.
only the comments.
No, yeah, because we are using X, that is why you're not seeing much comments. But if I'm connected to YouTube, you will see more comments.
Okay. So this is my if I'm to kind of a short good now, this is what I will do. You see, this is how I'll set it.
But for me, I don't feel like maybe gold is going to probably $5,000 with the way the dollar is behaving now.
$5,000.
Yeah.
What did you say? $5,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think it's going to come to 5,000?
Possibility there.
It's still very much possible. We are talking about lower time frame. $5,000 is still very much.
No, I mean like
Let's
overall. Like I mean overall, like forecast.
Okay. 5,000 is possible, but that is only when we break another all-time high.
All-time high.
Look at the weekly time frame. Are you seeing the weekly time frame? You know that as it is now, the next dump is here. Next dump will get here if gold decides to
let me
dump
see.
again.
Yeah, that area.
So we'll be thinking or waiting to see if from
but
here
you're looking at the
market.
But looking at the weekly charts, you see that last candle, it seems like he rejected. There's a week, like buyers
Rejected?
push it a bit. No, like I mean,
Okay, this last one.
Up. Yeah, buyers push the market up.
Definitely, buyers push the market up, but you should know that weeks, the market always goes to at least, if not 100%, it will feel like 50% of the weeks. So there is a chance that from here, like after this take profit of this my analysis, gold will continue pumping to the upside. So it's not a must that it will stay dump to 3978. It's not a must.
Yeah, I get.
So let me see if one day self is that visible, clearer. You know that for us to start buying now, for us to start buying gold confidently, it has to be when it breaks above here.
When it broke
You
above
get,
where?
it has to be when it breaks above 4,000, breaks validly 4,200.
Yes.
If it breaks a bit, yeah, from there we'll be expecting a retest, and then to that
Mm.
5,000 that I said. But as it is now, it is
But
still
why is this
looking
that
bearish.
gold is actually better than this BTC? BTC is a lot of weights inside.
Yes, now it's being very, very, very much controlled.
Yeah, so too volatile. Too
That
volatile,
is that
man.
is that is that is very that is very bad for crypto. That's very you will make a very good analysis. BTC will just spoil it.
Yeah, you just use a wake or something like that. And so annoying, like
It's so annoying. But that is just the game. What's that? You okay?
nice analysis though. Nice analysis.
Yeah, thank you.
BTC to zero.
Dream chase access to zero.
And he has been calling that
Very.
BTC to zero for long. Oh.
Uh,
He has been calling
my
BTC
mistake
to
was
zero.
we actually made a lot of mistake by not investing earlier and investing in this 2025. I swear, investing in 2025 is shit.
I think market just everything just changed. It wasn't like this before.
But we shouldn't be expecting everything to be the same all the time.
Up only.
Something different will definitely happen.
Up only, baby. Okay. So we've looked at BTC, we looked at gold from traders' perspective. Um, what other pair are we going to look at now?
Hmm, which one is actually looking good? Silver follows Bitcoin almost all the time.
Silver follows gold.
Okay, let me. Yes, now
Yeah.
silver follows gold. They do the same movement.
Uh, but silver is very slow.
No matter how slow, it follows gold. It just like if gold moves, even if it's not moving that fast. In fact, if you sell silver against gold's movement, you will always lose. You
Yeah.
get, you will always lose. So let me show you. Let me share my screen and show something on Asta.
Okay. But after this one, CZ is manipulating the price. Okay?
CZ.
Like yesterday, he said he bought. And
Yes,
it
but the
bought.
price is coming down.
Yeah.
But the price is coming down already.
Sincerely speaking, for me, it's just like I don't want to actually have anything to do with crypto because crypto trading is kind of risky because a person can influence the price.
The manipulation is too
The
much.
price.
You just the reality is that this is just normal. In like time, things change. You just have to like the evolution. You just have to understand it. Almost
Yeah.
that this some people looks up to CZ that is an angel, but no, he's among the devil. He's in the cabal. So if you are trusting CZ and making investments, you are going back to your village. Let me show Asta.
Is there anything in answer?
Nothing much. I just want to kind of show something to the audience where I'm trying to looking at for a cell. Is following BTC chat.
Hmm?
Are you seeing the screen now?
Huh?
Are you seeing the screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. I can see your screen.
Okay. Yesterday I was expecting uh Asta to be buying from here. There's something that there's something that will happen now in this Asta now. It's filled with manipulation. Look at what
Yeah,
I
but
was
from what I
expecting.
can see in that Asta, it seems like he broke that trend line liquidity there.
Uh, it does. Like
And it's
here,
retesting.
right? Yeah, it did broke
Yes, and
up,
it's
but
retesting.
I don't know if it's going to respect BTC movement or it's going to just move on its own based on the fundamental. You get if he pushes up again, it's going to get to here. About an hour or two ago, I was expecting it to do this. In 1 hour time frame, I was expecting it to react to here. I was expecting it to react to here, then get down to this side before pumping. But clearing the liquidity that was expected to clear later leaves me with a lot of things to think about again, because as it is now, if you are trusting this to go down, you should know that it has already mitigated the POI here. Initially, the reason why I was trying to sell from here was because this POI was meant to be respected. That is from here. What actually makes people to fail mostly in technical analysis is focusing on only what is happening immediately. You should use the backside to know what is going to happen. This particular
But this
POI
thing, this
now
thing, this thing we are seeing is like a retest. If you buy Asta here, maybe long it, yeah, and put your stop
mm,
loss under that pump or where the pump started from, I think you can be in a very good profit. Yeah, around there.
is risky. It's very risky.
But somebody is pushing it now.
Forget about somebody is pushing it. What if the person pulls out and you go in with a good amount? So let's look at daily time frame. In this daily time frame, what I don't know about others, but I see that this market, everything about this market is just basically chart pattern and trend lines.
Yeah,
These two strategies I kind of always
I
kind of
yeah,
see
that
them,
chart pattern and trend line. Like I've been trading trend line now. I trade this 1 minute chart, 1 minute
both of
to
them.
like trend line has been helping me a lot.
I swear, I think that they are the basic, like the major thing. Like
Yeah,
here
they are the
now,
major thing to do. Like
yeah,
if you can be able to trade trend line pattern very, very well, break and
you are
retest,
going to, yes, you
you are
are
going
going
to
to be
make a lot of
profitable
money.
if you
Yes.
are just patient enough. Looking at this now, you will still see a double bottom.
On Asta,
Did you see it? Yes, now this is daily time frame. This is double bottom that I just drew.
where is it?
Are you seeing it? This is it now.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
Okay.
are you seeing it?
Yeah, 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 yeah,
That
yeah,
is
yeah.
that is the double bottom. It must not be as smooth or beautiful as it looks in paper on papers. Now look at it this way. You know that double bottom or double top, it has to deal with both tops. Sometimes if the market is more bullish, it's going to retest to the first top or first bottom.
Mm.
But if it's not bullish enough, it's going to retest to the second top or bottom. So as it is now, Asta is looking bullish. But then
Yeah.
again, I were to take this trade either with confirmation or if I want to do it aggressively, I'll put my entry around here. I will not buy from current price. I'll wait more to buy from here. So my invalidation as it is, if it gets to here, then I'm wrong. If it goes below here, then I'm wrong. So I'll just wait for it to come here, then push to here, 1.558 something, or I should say 1.56.
For
So
your
we have a
TP.
double bottom here. We have a breakout even. Eh?
You mean for your TP
We have
1.5?
a breakout in the daily time frame. Yes, for my TP, if I'm to buy from this place that I just placed it now, I'll be buying for 1.56. So I'll be taking profit for 1.56. Or if I don't want any stories, you can take profit from 1.5. You get the
Hmm.
1.6 is for sweep of liquidity. 1.6 is for the market to sweep liquidity. But what if it fails to sweep the liquidity? That means you will do 90 out of 100, you do 98% and 2% to make you to lose the trade, or you close on break even. So if I'm to buy Asta, I'll still wait for the market to drop more, drop to 0.9219, unless if I see a push to the upside, a valid one, then I'll buy to 1.5. This POI. My TP will be here for the buy. Do you understand what I explained
Yes.
here? And so
Very well.
that's what I'm doing faster. And the reason why I wanted to sell from here initially was because of this. You know that this was disrespected. This was a valid POI, but it was disrespected. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying. Let me make it bolder. This place now, there is a sweep and there is a break to the downside, though it did not sweep up to this level. Now, that news made the market to disrespect it and push to the upside, and a failed order block is respected on a test as a breaker block. Now, the market came here. It did not respect this to push up. It tried to push up again and respected it, then dumped. I was expecting Asta initially before this candle went lower. I was expecting it to from here push up to here, then go down before buying again. But it cleared the liquidity and is now trying to go to that zone. Now, this particular zone has been respected once, making it not 100% strong anymore. So if you are taking a trade from here, it should be with a very well defined risk, and there is a chance, like a good chance I should say, the market will just get here and drop again. There's a good chance that the market will get here, then drop to this side before buying to that 1.5. So that is just what I'm seeing in Asta chart.
Nice take. Nice take.
Thank you.
I, I think Asta is going to buy a bit here and then come down. Yeah. What you're actually saying is it's not right. 10%. Anybody that wants to take that trade can take. At least with 10x, you can make 100x.
Yeah, trading is a game of
10x
probability.
leverage, you can make 100x.
Yeah.
Man, I'll focus more on forex now for now.
Yes, yes. Forex is very, very much better, to be honest.
Yeah, it is because there are so many people trading it.
Yeah. The whole promises that Trump made, so is all just bluffs, just trying to win for his family and friends.
What type of promises are you talking about?
When he was entering the office, he was saying that we are
The
going to
truth is
win.
that people are going to take profit. I don't know why you people don't notice. You people don't want to accept the fact that people are going to take profit. People take profit
Yes.
in crypto a lot.
Does
It's
he know
not.
that Trump knows that people were going to take profit, but he was making those empty promises that we're going to win. To the extent we're going to say, Mr. President, we are tired of winning. And he
Yeah,
says,
but look at if you look at Trump this thing well, you see that uh, if we are to be truthful, when Trump came in, how much was BTC?
you should be also looking at why would Trump have his token, his wife's own, and few others related to him all dumping.
Well, people take profit now. People who knew that they were going to launch token early, they took profit.
Our
Like
Trump,
I said,
Trump
the
does.
difference between forex and crypto is very wide because now in gold, now you can like if you sell $1 billion worth of gold, it will not even affect the market that much
Yeah,
because
yeah,
gold market cap is like 30 something trillion dollars.
yeah.
Even though you sell $1 billion worth of naira, it might not actually affect because like the like selling currency, it doesn't affect that much. The central bank will find a way to wage it with the assets.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Unlike BTC, if somebody dumps, even if it's 10 million now, it will dump because liquidity is only liquidity based this thing,
Yes.
and the liquidity is not that solid.
That's true. That's true, Sha.
That's it.
That is one thing about crypto is anyway, Sha, is just experience how long you've been in the game, what you experience is going to make you,
Yes.
because a lot of newbies that are coming in, you know, even people that have been in the space for years, like you must, just like a must, you must witness a bull run and bear season. Once
One
you
way or the
witness
other.
them, at least you have some experience about it. But if people are telling you about it, you just be shouting bear season or bull season without having experience
A
of
good
what's
business.
going to happen.
Yes.
Because you just be trusting him. Imagine I trusted, though even though I was understanding the charts, I was trusting what Kenneth was posting then that Bitcoin was going to 5,000 and all
And that
that.
was a madman.
Everyone was so bearish. They were just posting Bitcoin is going to die, it's going to 5,000, going to 4,000, all that. So we were all bearish. When Solana went to $5, how many people bought? They were all afraid now. That was the time of this your guy. What's his name again?
Sam
This,
Bankman, SBF.
no, no, Zed.
Okay, that.
Zed was around then now.
Yeah.
He was around. So I think there was a time that guy was talking about buying. Said that he
Yeah.
was buying. He said that he was buying, but people did not believe him because the market was going down. So
Yes.
imagine when he had it been that those people listened to him or we listened to him, and even if he had invested $100 in Solana then or TRB that pumped to
No,
700 and
Z
something.
Z was good. Z was good with his analysis, like, but just that the guy was scamming in nature. That was why I kicked him out.
Yes, that is just the truth. That's just, it's not easy. Like a lot of people, once they have the influence, they will use it to scam the
Yeah.
community.
That is just one of those things.
Now
But he
God,
was actually bullish during that time.
yes,
The
yes,
neighbor just saying BTC is going to 5K, he was going to 3K, was going to 1K. Oh, shit.
yeah, he was right. He was bullish. He
He
was
was
right.
very
Because
bullish.
I pity those coming into trading by now, newbies that are going to fall
No,
into
but
the
the
hands.
market is always there.
Yes,
Okay,
it's always there, but those falling into the hands of the teachers that doesn't have their time to tell them they need to, like, imagine all these guys posting.
but that is why you need to put more effort. Apart from the fact that you pay people, you still need to
Mm.
put your own effort, put your own time to your own self.
But newbies does not even do this thing that you're saying. Once they
Yeah,
trust
well,
you,
yeah,
once
that's
they,
the problem. They don't want to learn, and they are going to pay with their phone. Like me,
like,
everything I have done in this life, apart from paying people, like I didn't pay somebody to teach me technical analysis, but I still went
yeah,
on my own. Now I'm building on myself, learning a lot of things. You understand? Not getting afraid, getting more involved, and all those kind of stuff.
yes, you have to push yourself.
Yeah, you have to push yourself one way or the other. You have to push yourself.
Yeah.
The fact is, if you get scared, you may not be able to achieve anything.
You being scared is based on how experienced you are. If you are not much experienced and you are not being taught well, that is how you're going to be scared. Because as
Yeah.
I am now, I can, like, my account can go, let's say I have 70 over 30, like I have 70
Mhm.
losses and I have 30 to come back. I will not be afraid. Sure, I told you the accounts that I was trading. Like, the account
Yeah.
was, I was low, as in I was down $5,000 plus. So I was just telling my wife, was like, this one that is he you, this one that I was like, relax, is nothing. So like I was not bothered. It was just a trade I set in 1 week. A trade I set in 1 week, set in 1 week. He waited till next week to he take profit. The account was from $5,000 down to profit. So if I had panicked and then started taking trades anyhow to recover the account back to profit, I might actually have to lose it. So
Yes.
it's just your psychology, and it's your psychology that will make you to be confident. Your
It is.
psychology, then you'll be patient enough to always wait for your trades. And before you take trades, the smaller the time frame, the more risky your trades.
Yeah.
Just
The
like
more
people
risk
that,
it is.
yeah, a lot of it happened to me as well as a newbie. Every week you just go into the market, go into one for 1 hour time frame to one day, scalping the market and all that. You don't even know about directional bias. Where is the Bitcoin going to? That's the main thing. For the week, you should use weekly time frame. Understand that this week now, Bitcoin is bullish, Bitcoin is bearish, Bitcoin is indecisive. You get it closed with indecision candle, so we don't know where we are going to. At least understand that directional bias. We are bullish, we are bearish, we are not going anywhere, we don't know where we are going to yet. Then from there, you know that you should be doing more of buying or more of selling. But all these things is just that if you don't listen to who is teaching you, you will learn it by yourself from experience. Then it
That is
depends on,
100% true.
yeah, it depends on how you are going to handle it after the experience, because some people after the experience they will be psychologically messed. They will not be able to recover from it. Imagine
Mm.
borrowing imagine borrowing money to trade, and
For that shit is, yeah.
the person is on your
I don't
neck
advise
that
people to borrow money to trade.
if you don't pay they will arrest you. Imagine you borrowed money, the person will be threatening you that if you don't pay they will arrest you. Lapo will arrest you, you will sleep in Lapo office. So that kind of mindset, that's why I said that some experience is the worst teacher. So you get
But
something
you see, the
experience.
market is just trading sideways, no volume or what.
What? Which one exactly? Is it crypto?
Like BTC, Forex, everything is just up and down, just ranging.
Today is Monday now.
That's true.
Today is Monday, so it will not start moving up and down. Market mostly moves. Before it used to move on Monday heavily. Now we have to be expecting movement from Tuesday to Friday.
Market is mostly sideways. But it's
Yeah.
a good day to trade on Friday.
Is it good to trade on Friday?
Uh,
Yes, now, most especially if there is a fundamental analysis on Friday. You mean for forex, right?
no, like generally.
Ah, it's good to trade any day for crypto because market used to be sluggish on weekend, but some weekends it will pump or dump. Just that
Yeah.
it rarely happens.
But weekend things are somehow you can't trust weekend things in crypto.
Yes, you can't
Because
trust it.
any small sell is going to affect the market. Any small buy is going to affect the market because major traders are not around. So
Yeah,
even hold up. Like the Wall Street guys, they are not trading. They are in their own big guys. Like people who want to actually buy big bulk may not be around to buy to wage, to put
that's
order,
it.
to place order.
Yes. Weekend is not, to be honest, weekend is just for relaxation. If you don't have money to touch grass, just get a good sleep for the new week.
Yes.
Because some people
Or
that are
maybe you can just
trading,
go some of the trades you took and see what was the problem there.
yes, that's like back testing. That's very important too.
Yeah.
But you see these black people, Nigeria, Ghana, and all, like Africa as a whole, we don't take care of our health. Weekend should be for us to have a good sleep.
Yes,
You see
though.
some people they will trade London session, they will trade New York, still trade Asian in the
Very short
night when
sleep.
they're supposed to be sleeping. So they will do it throughout the week, then use weekend to sleep. They will not still sleep. They will still not sleep. Just go out, take alcohol, do all this and that. At the end next week, you'll be expecting a better result.
Yeah, people don't give themselves good time, quality time.
Yeah,
And it can affect your psychology, it can affect your trading decisions.
definitely.
It can affect a lot of things, the way you view the market, the way you think, and everything.
Yeah.
BTC is stupid. After they kicked me out, they started, which kind of thing is this?
Were you selling?
Wake up on, no, I was buying from this place. Like, I knew he was going to buy. He
So you
did
were
a
buying from where?
breakout. So he did a breakout and retest. Let me see. So basically, he did a breakout and retest. So if you see what I drew there, he did a breakout. This is 1 minute chart though. He did a breakout here, retest. So I entered here. I took it here, though I did a half cash out here, half cash out here. So I was expecting it to take out this eye that he did with change of character here. But it didn't.
Yeah.
He now went out, now went and hit my BE. See what he did there. But now it started going up back again.
You are
That is what you
trusting
see in the eh?
you are trusting 1 minute time frame.
But you have been trading 1 minute time frame. Oh. This is technical
It works.
analysis.
It works. 1 minute time frame works for me, but it's just like gamble. It works.
No, it's
Then
not gamble. It's still the same technical analysis. If you base it on technical analysis, it's not many time frame that may be profit. It's that the just based on technical analysis. If it's a break, it's a break. If it closes above a break, it's a break. If there's
yes,
a change
but
of structure, there's a change of structure.
most of the time you'll not be able to time right where you will keep your take profit because greediness will always step in.
No, like I don't know, Sha. I don't know how to explain it to you. Now, like, look at this trade now. Look at the trade I'm in now, currently in good. I bought, you see this place I marked. I bought around here now. Around here. So currently I'm in profit. If you reach here now, I will take profit. Maybe around here. But if I see something significant, you see, like now, this is 1 minute time frame. You get this is the old resistance here. I drew a line here. The moment
Yeah.
he closed above this old resistance, I waited for a pullback, which he gave me a pullback, and I entered here. You now see
Mm,
my stop loss now is around here where I drew this line.
mm,
This is like where I drew this line. That is my stop loss. You get.
mm.
If it
Yeah.
breaks here, I know that it didn't work. But technical analysis is technical analysis. Be it 1 second, 1 minute, everything. But the pair must be liquid enough. The
Well,
pair
guys,
must be liquid.
1 minute is not for me.
Yeah, everybody have their own pattern. Everybody have their
Yes,
own choice.
we just preference. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just preference. Everybody just have their own way of doing things. Everybody actually have their own way of doing things.
Yeah.
You know me, I trade with my own account, with my own personal
Okay.
account. So, eh?
Yeah.
So I don't use funded accounts. I use smaller pips.
That's good.
So if you use my stop loss, it's just small. So I just be trading. The goal is at least in a week, if I can make up to 1K, then
Yes.
it's good.
The reality is that no matter the time frame that you are using, what is very, very important is your risk management.
Yes, it's your risk management and also your knowledge.
Yes, the knowledge is a must and the first.
Yeah, you must know what you are doing.
Yeah.
If
Once
you
you
don't know
do that
what you
and
are
you are
doing,
doing well.
you're gonna get fucked.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes, I said once you have the knowledge and you are risking very
Yeah.
well, like, you'll be making money.
You gotta know the fuck what you're doing. So if you look at this my chart, you see I marked the resistance points and I marked the support point. Before this was like now I took this trade. I sold around here. You understand?
You see that around where?
Around here.
Hmm.
I took it around here. I sold around here. Now I was thinking that okay, he's going to push. Then I took a long. Then they kicked me out. Then I waited for a breakout, for a clear breakout here at this resistance point. After this
Hmm.
clear breakout,
Hmm.
I waited for a retest, here, a retracement, and I took it. So I'm currently in profit now.
Oh, I
So
don't know why. I don't know why your
I'm
stop loss.
waiting to reach here. If you reach here,
Hmm.
if it gets to this place, I ran.
I don't know why. Okay, Sha, I will still check in my chat. I saw something that you dropped on X. I think that was New Zealand CHF.
Yeah. But the
Yes.
thing is shit, it's very slow.
Yeah, it sadly moves. Mostly, what moves most in forex is gold, silver, then GBP pairs, gold and
It's so
silver, then
slow.
GBP pairs. GBP
It's so
moves
slow.
smoothly.
Good, give me 4011. Let me smile.
You want to 4011, you want to sell from there.
No, I want to take profit. I told you I'm buying now.
You're buying
I
gold
bought,
from
yeah, I bought around 004,003.
ah 4,003. Okay. 4,011. Yeah, you will hit TP now. Your TP is for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. It's 1 minute trading I'm doing now. 1 minute trading. So
These
this is what I
motherfuckers
do.
don't take our life.
They don't take on a light.
Mm.
It's a normal thing, bro.
Welcome to Africa. No, not Africa, Nigeria, because other African countries,
Africa.
other African
Africa, yeah, my Africa, Africa. Look, this is the trade I'm taking. This is the trade currently in play. This is what I did currently in play. And so just waiting for 4,000, 411, 4011. I'm off.
Yeah, you
The,
hit your take.
the resistance at this 4011, 4010 to 40, this thing. I will now wait again because I know it's going to retrace at that resistance.
Yeah. This 4011 now, it's just your TP, but good will pass there.
Yeah, but that is just my TP.
Yes. God, good and say God, good. Good will reach 4023.
I don't give you. I don't know where it's going. That one is some business. Yeah, I'm
It will
just
reach
using my
there.
technical analysis.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm just doing my technical analysis. I try not to be greedy in this market.
Exactly.
Now look at this low.
Exactly.
Yeah. Look at this low.
Why
Yeah.
your
Gold broke this low. Yeah.
which low?
This low. Yeah. There's this
Uh-huh.
previous low here. Can you see where my cursor is?
I'm trying to
Yeah.
move it. Okay, yes. I'm seeing it.
Yeah.
Are you still
Gold
in the
actually
one?
broke. Yeah. Gold broke this thing here. Gold broke
Yes.
this. Yeah. So
Yeah.
breaking it means that now, yeah, he actually broke this trend, this downtrend, internal structure. So here was a change of shift in structure from year to year. I don't know if you can see it though, Sha, but yeah,
Yeah, I'm seeing it. Not clear enough. I'm seeing it.
yeah, change in shift in structure. So it came down, it broke this high, but this one now came and broke this low, yeah. So I'm expecting gold to do something like this. But that is not my business. I just told what I see. Now, I'm expecting gold to do something like this. Probably like this, then jump again.
Yeah, that's
But
the that's the expectation.
that's the expectation. But if I see here, I don't run. Then I watch and see how other
It
parts will
reacts.
actually react.
Yeah, that's good.
Yo, nice having you on this show. I hope to have you on other shows. Good.
My pleasure, my boss.
Thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day.